Hello everyone, so welcome back to our new video. Here today we are doing something different. We have started mathematics of class 12, chemistry of class 11, and now we are going to start our physics of class 11th, that is units and measurements. Wonderful chapter, nice chapter. It is the first chapter of the class 11th physics and the core concept of the 2 years journey. So as here you can see, this is our chapter, units and measurements. Okay, so there are some important topics, that is physical quantities. What is there? All quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. Example: time, length, mass, force, work done, etc. So what is about physical quantity? As we know that here it is given, all quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. Means the quantities which we can measure, we can take the weight of those quantities, such as length means in meter, centimeter, etc. Mass means in kilogram, gram, milligram, etc. Force means Newton. Work done means work done by an object or a body, like that. In physics we will study about physical quantities of those. Fundamental quantities, a set of physical quantities which are completely independent of each other, but all other physical quantities can be expressed in terms of physical quantities, are called a set of fundamental quantities. So what do we mean by fundamental quantities? It has been said, a set of physical quantities which are completely independent. The quantities which are completely independent doesn't depend upon each other, but all physical quantities which can be expressed in terms of these physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. The physical quantities which can be expressed towards fundamental process is called fundamental quantities. It is currently being expressed by the scientific community, that is mass, time, length, current, temperature, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Okay, so what it is written, the fundamental quantities that are currently being accepted by the scientific community. Fundamental quantities are much more related to scientific communities, that are our mass, that is the mass, time, length. Mass means that is our kg, gram, etc. Mass means a weight. Time we can deal with as second, minutes, etc. Length means meter, centimeter. Current means ampere. Here temperature means Kelvin or degree Celsius. Luminous intensity and mode of the substances are the example of physical our fundamental quantities. Now next topic. Okay, next part is derived physical quantities. The physical quantities that can be expressed in terms of fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. For example, speed equals to distance divided by time. Okay, what is derived physical quantities? The physical quantities that can be expressed in terms of fundamental physical quantities. The physical quantities which are expressed in terms of fundamental physical quantities, we have learned that set of physical quantities which are independent of each other in physical quantities, but in fundamental physical quantities. But derived physical quantities is expressed in the form of physical quantities which can be derived. For example, if we want to derive speed, then we will write distance by time. So it means that what does speed formula? Speed formula is distance upon time. From next is our measurement. Measurement is the comparison of quantity with a standard of same physical quantity in the past different countries follow different standard. Okay, so what is given? Measurement is the comparison of quantity with a standard of same physical quantity. Measurement is a quantity, it is also a physical quantity which have a standard of same physical quantity. If we see the measurement in kilogram, an object is of something around 3 kg. The 3 kg is the mass of the object, and when we take it to some other countries, the same will be the mass, but different will be its composition, and different will be its standards. So it is written here that it follows different standards in different countries. So yes, measurement is the comparison of quantity, means it derives the quantity and its unit is same for every measurement, for such as kg, gram, etc. Then here we will in the past different countries follow different standards. The standard potential of different measurement follows different methods in different countries. Units: all physical quantity are measured with respect to the standard magnitude of same physical quantity, and these standards are called units. For example, second, meter, kilogram, etc. All physical quantities are measured with respect to standard magnitude. So likely here units are the physical quantity which measures their standard in units. Units are the physical quantity which measure their standards. For units, examples are second, meter, kilogram, etc. You see, second we use in our clocks or wall clocks, etc. to know, because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, as we know. Meters we use in running races, and something like lemon race, running race, etc. We use meters such as 500 meters, 100 meters running race, something like that. And kilogram we use in vegetable fruits and many other physical quantities we use it. Kilograms. So 4 basic properties of units are: they must be well defined. All the units must be well defined. As mass we have gram, kg, kilogram, etc. They should be easily available. In availability we have many other resources, like here it is second we found in time, watch, clock, etc. Meter we have given the example of we have got the example of our running race, sack race, lemon race, etc. spoon lemon. Then it is kilogram which we make the measurement in our kgs, such as 1 kg tomato, 2 kg potatoes, etc. 3 kg, 4 kg something, or 1 kg bananas, 1 kg apple, like these are measured in kgs, and they should be invariable. Example, step of a unit of length is not invariable. So yes, this should be invariable. It cannot be changed in any other conditions. In some all the condition the unit should be same. Next, fourth cases, they should be accepted in all, to all. Okay, so we cannot use that if we say give a second of tomatoes. Second means it is a time quantity. We have to say that give a kg of tomato, then it is right. So next is our system of units. There are 3 types of system of units, that is FPS, British Engineering System, and next one is CGS, Gaussian system, and MKS system. So in FPS system we will learn in next class Till then, tada, bye bye, take care, and have a nice day.